All the budget-friendly meals that made it to the menu this week. But first, some coffee. I shopped at Aldi this week, and as a large family, I really appreciate their great prices on meats and produce. Tonight's dinner that is currently in the oven. Please don't judge me for how disgusting the oven is. I picked up a pork loin from Aldi, and I'm roasting off some green beans to go along with it. I grabbed a pack of frozen chicken breasts out of the freezer, which are going to be grilled chicken this week. Also out of the freezer is a pound of ground beef, which is getting turned into sloppy joe, which I'm also using leftover buns from camping for. Another great find in Aldi this week was this steak. I picked up this thinly cut steak at Aldi and these peppers, which are going to be fajitas this week. I knew I already had a taco kit in the pantry. Cauliflower as a side. Hid these apples on the top shelf so my kids would get rid of the ones in the produce drawer first, which also has some blueberries and cherries that were also on sale. I know I have garlic bread in the freezer, so I picked up some pasta sauce for a quick spaghetti night one night this week, and I already have noodles on hand. Leave me your favorite budget-friendly meal in the comments, and follow me for some more ideas.